clarificatory questions.
Yes, Mr. President, it will be an honor to receive questions from Senator Lacson.
Thank you, Mr. President. The DPWH has a number of key programs, and types of projects that we may be interested to be enlightened and to find out what these programs are all about. Now, I will name a few of them. Yung Asset Preservation Program, When we say Asset Preservation Program, ano po ba ito?
Under the sub-programs, Mr. President, Senator Lacson, meron ho dito preventive and maintenance, rehabilitation, construction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, rehabilitation, construction of roads with slips, slope collapse and landslide, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national road. So nakikita ko ho dito, marami ho dito ay preventive maintenance at pag-aayos po ng mga existing roads, Mr. President.
And then Network Development Program.
Ito po ay yung mga sub-programs po niya, road widening, construction of bypass diversion roads, construction of missing links, new roads, construction of flyovers, interchanges, underpasses, long-span bridges, off-carriageway improvements, and paving of unpaved roads. So these are existing roads na pinapalaki ho nila or nag-improve po ng connectivity in a locality, Mr. President.
Thank you. Of course, the next one, bridge program, medyo obvious.
Yes, ito yung mga tulay po ito, Mr. President.
Lalo na yung flood management program. Medyo alam na natin lahat yan by now.
Yes, Mr. President.
Local program.
Locally funded? National. Po, Senping, yung you're pertaining to the locally funded projects?
Yes. And of course, yung Convergence CSSP,
Apo.
Convergence and Special Support Program.
Yung Convergence po, ito po yung projects na meron pong kaugnayan sa iba pang departments, katulad po ng tourism, ito po yung kanilang trip. Tapos meron rin sila for transportation, and then meron rin ho sila for trade and industry. So enroll it po. So meron ito yung mga infrastructure projects na related to the mandates of other departments at kailangan ho sila mag-converge.
Ang napansin ko lang po dito, Mr. President, distinguished sponsor, yung CSSP, parang all through the years, especially from 2023 hanggang 2025, significantly bloated every year. I'll to state my point, Mr. President, sa 2024 pala, 2024, 2025, 2026. Sa NEP 174 billion, And then sa GAA ng 2024, nag-increase siya ng 136%, umabot siya ng 410.9 billion. 2025, ganun din, nag-increase siya ng 227% from the 2025 NEP of 221 billion 499, nag-increase siya papuntang 504. And then again, 2026, ganun din. Unlike the others, especially yung network, bridge, flood management, wala masyadong increase, of course, yung asset preservation, ganun din, pero minimal. Bakit po ito laging bloated every year? Significant yung kanyang pagtaas.
Ito po ay mostly Senping congressional
That's exactly
initiative
my point, no?
under the CPAG and
BIP.
BIP, tama ho. In basic infrastructure program and also the sustainable infrastructure projects elevating gaps. Pero sinabi ko kay Secretary Vince na pareho lang itong dalawa, yung CPAG and BIP, at nakakalito lang ho. No?
Pupunta tayo dyan mamaya, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman. Dahil nakita namin dito, itong CPAG at saka BIP, medyo confusing, may mga duplication, may mga redundancy. And we will cite several examples, Saan na ba yan? Teka. Ito, Mr. President, under CPAG, pareho nomenclature, sa 2026 NEP, hanggang sa GAB, pati Senate version. Access roads and or bridges from national roads leading to major/strategic public buildings facilities. Meron siyang sa NEP 2026 46 billion, 46.9. Sa GAB, pumalo na siya ng 92.9. No? Sa NEP, 88. Pero sa kabila, pag tinignan natin yung BIP, eksakto yun, access roads and or bridges from national roads leading to major/strategic public buildings/facilities. May mga numero pa rin. So, paano natin i-explain to na pareho-pareho nomenclature? Magkabukod pa yung kanilang budget, yung funding. And then, next, access roads and or bridges from the national roads connecting to IP. No? Sa NEP, meron siyang 2.246. GAB, naging 3.4. Sa Senate, 3.3. Punta natin yung BIP, Basic Infrastructure Programs. Ganun din po yung pagkakasulat eh. Access roads. So, replica, no? Pareho-pareho. So, how do we explain this? Number 3, interjurisdictional roads. Sa kabila, sa BIP, interjurisdictional roads and or bridges, roads traversing multiple LGUs. Ganun din. And or bridges, roads traversing multiple LGUs. May magkahiwalay na numero. So how do we explain this?
Actually, Mr. President, Senator Ping, pinoint out namin to during the hearing kasi nakita ho rin namin na parehong-pareho yung mga sub-programs ho nito. At
Even the sub-programs, tama po kayo.
parehong-pareho. And admittedly, sabi ni Secretary Vince na parehong-pareho rin. Even the department, hindi nila nakikita yung difference. So moving forward, i-collapse nila itong dalawang programs at they will come up with a new objective for a single program. No?
For 2026.
For 2027 na ho, 2027.
Hindi, pero 2026 natin pinupondo ng 2 beses eh.
Yes. Yung laman ho niya, iba naman.
Hindi ho, pareho. Mamaya, papakita
Sige
ko yung
po.
mga
Yeah.
examples.
Yeah.
Ano? Anyway, pag-aralan na lang natin kasi baka nagdo-double appropriations tayo under different programs, but yung mga projects, pareho rin. No? Different programs, but same projects.
Doon po, actually nagkaroon ho kami ng cleansing after the hearing. In fact, twice ho tayo nag-cleansing. Based po sa aming records, wala naman pong parehong program, parehong project for the CPAG and the BIP. In fact, ang DPWH nag-provide rin ho sa atin ng mga station number for the first time. Lahat po ng mga projects ngayon may mga station numbers na.
During the committee hearings na lang, nag-provide.
During pinasok ho natin sa committee report. Sa committee
Yes,
report
but
po.
during the Senate committee
Yes,
hearings.
during the Senate committee hearing. Tama ho.
Yeah, okay. So, tuloy pa tayo, yung number 6, ano? Ito muna, flood mitigation, structure protecting public, flood mitigation sa BIP, under the BIP, that's under CPAG, ano? Sa BIP din, ganun din eh. Flood mitigation structure. Meron na siyang 9.4 billion sa NEP. Nasiro siya sa GAB, pero nabuhay siya rito sa 2026 sa NEP BIP. Of course, nasiro rin ito sa GAB, House GAB, ano? Major strategic public buildings facilities under CPAG, and then under BIP, major strategic public buildings facilities. Meron siyang sa GAB 5 billion mahigit, sa under BIP meron pa siyang 1.2 billion. Sa Senate version meron siyang 5.1 billion. Tapos sa BIP, that's under CPAG, ano? Sa BIP ganun din eh, pero iba yung numero. So anong gagawin natin dito kung pareho yung nomenclature under 2 key programs, different programs, pero pareho-pareho naman. Bakit ganito?
Yeah. Ito po yung mga sub-programs, pareho po yung title. Pero pag pinasok ho natin yung individual programs,
Projects.
iba-iba ho siya. Iba-iba na ho siya. Yun yung lininis ho natin almost, I think, twice ho natin nagkaroon ng, 3 times ho naglinis ho ng
And I think
project.
we learned our lesson from the 2025.
Yes.
GAA.
Yes.
Kasi dito, papakita natin, pinakita nyo na rin ito nung committee hearing siguro,
Yeah.
na mismo yung proyekto, pareho-pareho.
Yes. Mr.
Like for example, CPAG, 39 billion. Construction of Barangay San Jose, Barangay Bandi Road, Package 2, Barangay San Jose, Barangay Bandi, Pansol, Sorsogon. Ganun din eh. Under BIP, construction, meron siyang 39 million siguro ito, no? Yeah, million. Okay, project lang ito eh. Tapos sa BIP, ganun-ganun din, meron pang 150 million. Paano na-implement ito?
So ito po yung mga pinasubmit natin sa DPWH with yung mga we identified 6 red flags. Yung po yung lininis ng lininis. Natanggal na po yung mga duplicates, natanggal na rin po yung mga repetitive projects at tinanggal na rin po yung reappearing projects. So,
So
marami
hindi na na-implement yung either one. Ganun ba yung, kasi 2025 eh.
This is 25.
ito 2026 po natin
No.
lininis po.
Sa 2025, program, projects ito under the 2025 GAA.
Yes,
So ano nangyari rito? Kasi doble. Dalawang yung funding niya eh. Isang 39,433,000 under CPAG. Tapos may 150 million naman under BIP. Paano in-implement itong may dalawang pondo pero isa yung description ng projects?
Actually, Senping, na buksan nga namin yan during the hearing. And I also validated this with COA and some implementing agencies. Pag parehong-pareho yung pondo at parehong-pareho yung title ng project.
Magkaiba yung pondo, pareho yung project.
Pag pareho yung title ng project, ang nangyayari ho, nagkakaroon ng discretion yung district engineer on how to implement the project. So in other words, lalabas po yung unang pondo, tapos yung pangalawang pondo, pero siya na magdidictate kung saan po i-implement yung project na yon. No? So dahil nga parehong-pareho yung title ng project at wala naman technical description. So yun po yung nagiging problema dahil may discretion ngayon yung district engineer on how to